Hi guys, today I bring you the ARB Diff cover that we're going to install in our Defender. Let's do this job together. Looking inside the box, let's see what we got here. We got a full instruction manual that covers all the application of the lid. Everything here well explained. We have the diff cover and all the screws. Looking at the diff cover, it's much heavier than the original one, for sure. It's well built. What you have here is the famous dipstick that is right here, that has a magnet that will prevent any metal parts inside the diff, and they will all get stuck here. Also, included with the kit, with all the screws, you have also this powerful magnet here. As you can see, this magnet will be placed in the lower part. Man, this is powerful. This will be placed here. So it's the draining plug. The draining plug has also one magnet, and the level has also another magnet. You just need to mark it after I make some measurements and I take out the diff cover, the original one. I'm going to sign it here, and let's put this baby on the car. First thing we need to do is we need to drain the oil that is inside the diff. So let's grab the correct key and let's do this. Okay, it's draining. I don't see any metal parts here, so this is a good sign. 17 wrench. I will take out all the diff screws. Okay, we now take the original lid out. Here is how it looks. So what we need now, we're gonna give a big clean around here, and we're gonna wash it also inside with brake cleaner, remove oil, residues, anything that must be stuck inside, so that I can install it properly. Let's do this. Now that I have this clean, I'm gonna rinse it with brake fluid. So I got two covers here, the old one and the new one, the ARB one. The filling hole is located here on the old one, and if I recall, the oil would be filled all the way until the hole, and then it will overflow. So I need to do a straight line here just to mark where would be the filling hole for this one here. I'm gonna do here a little mark. You see it there? I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna file a little bit there so that I know that the level to fill in is that one. I will degrease the diff cover that comes standard with this kind of oil protection, so that the liquid sealant is gonna adhere much better. I'm gonna do the same on that one and apply the seal. Now it's time to apply the seal and to put this baby on the car. One side is done. Now let's apply it on the other side. So the big ones go on this part here. I'm gonna try to tighten them in a star pattern, the same as we do with the wheels. And then we'll put it to the correct torque with the torque wrench. Now we need to apply the draining valve back again. Draining valve is in. The draining valve from the ARB that's equipped with this powerful magnet. My God, look how powerful it is. Ah!
Now it's time to fill in the oil using the recommended oil from Land Rover. Fill in the diff case and use the dipstick to check the oil level.
So I'm very pleased with the end result. I'm going to show you guys how it looks. I already took the car for some spins. It's already a little bit dirty, but you can see it clearly. The overall looks in the end. So the diff has a nice cover. It looks way more sturdy. It's flashy, so when you drive behind the Defender, you can clearly see it. And I'm gonna do a shooting for you guys to check it. But I'm very pleased with the final result for sure. Thanks for watching, guys.